Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. You are looking on the 2004 Ford E350 Super Duty Econoline, and I would love to show you one of the serious flaws which are on these vans. This van has only 70,000 miles. So that's very little, it's older, but the flaw, that serious flaw on this design already affected this van and gave me a lot of extra work. And what is the flaw? Let me show you. It's actually right here. This third brake light, which is incorporated in the roof, normally has failed or non-existent gasket. So the water, the rainwater, unfortunately easily starts coming into the van through this light. I will show you what you need to check if you are ever buying this. Do you see that stain? That perfectly show it was all dripping here. Also it continues depending how the van is parked. Do you see these stains? That's all rainwater coming inside this vehicle. The way it was parked, it starts entering here on the back. That's the first rusted area. Unfortunately, the van, the way it sits without the passengers, it's sloping towards to the front. So the all water keeps flowing perfectly slowly underneath the mat, which is normally here. It's all soaked like a sponge underneath that black rubber mat, and it goes all the way front. So this created so much extra work removing and treating the rust which was here. You can still see the remainings. I couldn't really take all of it off because I will start having holes through. It actually is a hole through right here. So we are treating it. We had to get rid of that original mat and that padding underneath. It ended up in the dumpster. Unfortunately, it was junk. I will put some pictures when we discovered that. When we saw this, we immediately lifted it up here in the back. I will put some pictures in this video. And you will be able to see that horror. So anytime you shop for one of these, watch for it. If you buy one, immediately put some silicone, high quality silicone, and that will perfectly stop this problem from happening. And this van is actually ours. I bought it with my wife. We will do little weekender for a easy camping of it. So I believe I will keep filming bunch of stuff on it for this channel. Thank you for watching and be subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. See you later, my friend.